use of substitution, sin x plus or minus cos x is equal to t. So when you see any kind of questions in which there is a term sin x plus cos x or sin x minus cos x, it will be easier to solve the questions when you substitute this value with t. Why t? Because when you assume this thing, when you do squaring on both sides, it becomes sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x equal to t square. So sin square x plus cos square x is nothing but 1 plus 2 sin x cos x is equal to t square. And sin x cos x can be written as t square minus 1 by 2. So when you substitute this sin x plus cos x is equal to t, and you can also substitute sin x cos x as t square minus 1 by 2. This makes the original equation in terms of quadratic or the polynomial equation, which will be easier to solve the questions or to solve the general solutions. So similarly, if you assume sin x minus cos x equal to t, when you do squaring on both sides, it will be sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x equal to t square. Again, this value becomes 1 minus 2 sin x cos x is equal to t square, and sin x cos x will be 1 minus t square by 2. So here the main difference is when it is plus, it will be t square minus 1 by 2, and when it is minus, it will be 1 minus t square. So for this, you guys should be aware of it. So let's solve few questions so that you'll get a better idea how and where to use this. For this question, we need to find the general solution of given equation. So how to do this? Sin 2x will remain as it is. Instead of, in this question, we need to find the general solution for the given equation. So if you remember the formula for sin 2x, what's the formula? It is 2 sin x into cos x. So use this formula over here. It becomes 2 sin x into cos x plus, take 5 common inside, and inside becomes sin x plus cos x plus 1 equal to 0. So just now we have discussed, so substitute sin x plus cos x, which is nothing but t, and sin x cos x will be t square minus 1 by 2. So just substitute the values. So it will be 2 times of t square minus 1 by 2 plus 5t plus 1 equal to 0. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and 1 and minus 1 also get cancelled. It will be t square plus 5t 0, and this can be written as t into t plus 5, which is 0. So here we'll get two cases, in which case 1 will be t will be 0. In case 2, t plus 5 will be 0. What is t? T is nothing but sin x plus cos x will be 0. So this can be written as sin x is equal to minus cos x, which is nothing but minus tan x, which is nothing but tan x is equal to minus 1. So this minus 1 can be written as, so this can be written as tan x is equal to tan of minus pi by 4. So now it's in the form of tan theta equal to tan alpha. So the general solution will be x is equal to n pi plus alpha. Alpha is nothing but minus pi by 4, where n belongs to all the integers. So similarly solve for the case 2, which is sin x plus cos x plus 5 is equal to 0. So if you observe carefully, this is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x. So a and b are nothing but 1 and 1. So when you should divide on both sides by under root 2. So this becomes sin pi by 4 into sin x plus cos pi by 4 into cos x minus 5 by root 2. So it becomes cos of x minus pi by 4. And here, if you see on the RHS side, this value doesn't lie in the range, does not belong to the range -1 to 1. So this kind, so this case is rejected. It is not allowed. So the general solution for the given question is x is equal to n pi minus pi by 4. In this question, we need to solve the given equation. First thing, you need to remember the formulas for sin 3x and cos 3x. Sin 3x is nothing but 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. And formula for cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So just substitute these formulas. Take 3 common in these two values. You can write cos x plus sin x. And here, when you substitute, it becomes 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x and minus 4 cos cube x plus 3 cos x is equal to 0 because this is minus over here. So from here, it becomes 6 times of sin x plus cos x minus 4 sin cube x plus cos cube x is equal to 0. First, you need to know the formula for a cube plus b cube. What is the formula for this? It's nothing but a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So using this formula, we can write this as 6. So you can, so using this formula, we can write this as 6 times of sin x plus cos x minus 4 sin x plus cos x whole cube minus 3ab, which is sin x and cos x, into a plus b, that is sin x plus cos x. So now you can use the substitution of sin x plus cos x. That is sin x plus cos x will become t and sin x into cos x is nothing but t square minus 1 by 2. So substitute these values. It becomes 6t minus 4 t cube minus 3 t square minus 1 by 2 into t. So 6t minus 4 2t cube minus 3t cube plus 3t whole divided by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled with this and becomes 2 over here. Now this can be written as 60 minus this value will be minus t cube, right? So minus into minus plus 2 times of t cube minus into plus minus 3t will be 0. Everywhere it is 0, okay? Sorry, it becomes minus 60 over here because 3 times of 2. So this gets cancelled. From here, 2t cube is 0, which is nothing but t is 0. So just substitute the value of t, which is nothing but sin x plus cos x is 0. This can be written as sin x is equal to minus cos x. So when you divide it, you'll get tan x is equal to minus 1. If you remember, we have discussed this general solution in the previous question. So it becomes tan x is equal to tan minus pi by 4. So the solution will be x is equal to n pi plus alpha. Alpha is nothing but minus pi by 4 and n belongs to I. So this is the general solution for the given question.